YouTube channel. Today in this short, let's learn about the different locator strategies. So first of all, what is a locator strategy? Locator strategy is a way to identify one or more unique elements on the web page uniquely, right? So as you can see, we have two different types of locator strategy. One is the traditional locator strategies, which include some of them as shown below: class name, CSS selector, ID, name, link text, partial link text, tag name, and XPath. Within the industry, usually people tend to use XPath, ID, and CSS selector. You are free to use any one, but ideally, it is suggested to use ID because if at all, if there is any change in the DOM, even then the ID attribute remains unique. So, coming to the other type of locator strategy, we have the relative locators. So, Selenium 4 started introducing these relative locators, previously also known as friendly locators. So, if at all it is becoming difficult and complex to identify an locator uniquely, but you are able to identify nearby locators, then we go for relative locators. So, first of all, we'll try to identify an element on the DOM. So let's say this is our DOM, and there is an input field and there is an input field here. You can easily identify field 1, but you can't identify field 2. So first of all, you will try to write the locator strategy for field 1, and using that, so in our case, F2 is below F1, so we can use the below tag to identify that uniquely. Similarly, there are other relative locators such as above, left of, right of, and near. Thank you for watching this video.